Hi, it's Inghan again. Today I'm talking to you about friendship and bringing friendship into your life in conferences or different places, just like where I am right now in Bangkok for a big location independent entrepreneurs conference. So listen in and do this meditation so that you can receive all the ways in which you can open up and really bring in those juicy friendships, whether it's with people that are just like-minded, accept you and totally open to you, and who you also want to hold in a safe space, aka just have really great meaningful connections or otherwise. So the biggest challenge that I've heard so far in this conference is that people are yearning and craving for some real new friendship as an adult that is on their path, who are also on similar paths to achieve the similar dreams. So bringing your arms to the top, let's jump in. So first of all, just relax and really stretch out whatever you can as you bring yourself to this moment. You're going to take deep breaths in. Imagining beautiful white light all around you, entering in your system as you breathe in, and expelling all that's unneeded into the ground as you exhale. Imagining a great huge vortex below your feet. As you breathe in the vortex of love, affection, your periods of beautiful attention just swirling into your life. And as you breathe out, expel any resistances or any unwanted gunk out. Relax your shoulders and your ankles as you breathe in. As you breathe in, I want you to open up your heart, breathing in all the air into your heart to open yourself up to relationships that are lifelong. Relationships that are mutually cherishing. They're mutually loving, or have the potential to be that. Welcome any relationships that are genuine, with good intentions and good resonance. As you exhale all of the relationships that no longer serve you, or the attachments to them. state of being of becoming the person who attracts wonderful friendships that you can serve and who can serve you, creating the circle of abundance where you feel held, you feel safe to be seen, heard, and held, and where you can offer your friend the same. Appreciating all of the relationships that are already in your life that have this quality, whether it's in the past or in the present, or even though the ones that are yet to become. You are so held, you are so watched out for. Every person you meet, every person you feel a connection with is available for you to connect deeper with. Give yourself that permission to open up. Give yourself that permission to see that person, those people, deeply and in a way that moves. And their goddesses or gods within them. Their real selves, allowing their real selves to shine through. This energy for the rest of your day, holding this state, this emotion, this feeling. For the rest of your day. Really, really being thankful for all that there is for you. Whenever you're ready, slowly open your eyes. So much for being here. You're amazing, and it's clearly early in the morning, so I'm really glad to do this for you, even at conferences. And this whole channel is really here to serve you. It's really here to bring you into a state of being, which is not just intellectual, but it's an experience for you to feel what it is that you want to feel. And I hope you like it, and I hope you come back and subscribe or follow, whatever you do to engage. And yeah, watch these till the end so that you can really get all the benefits of it. I love you so much. Comment below, let me know how you feel, and talk to you soon.